Where are we, chat? Hold on now. One of my favorite songs, like Lengoma, ne? It's one of my favorite, chat. Like Andina. What I want to say now? Anantloni ngayo like xa unothi makubeka ingoma rap songs ngiyayibeka apha ndithi makiyo. The song name is called No Hook. Oh my god. By Flash Ngumngani. Yela nithini thetha nikuva. Yo, I thought that was during the time. That was a time, bruh. That was a time. That was during the time of the beef between Yena with the late Bravo Leroux. I like giving a backstory. This was during that time. No, not this one. The one that I'm talking about. Yeah, bo. The one that I'm talking about was during that time. Yeah, bo. Where Beshiana about something no Bravo Leroux. Chat, I'm telling you, when he dropped this shit, I was like, my god, this guy can rap. This guy can spit. I have liked that song. Like, I think I know that song bar for bar. Like, straight yonke langoma. I could... What Flash did on that song, oh my god. So I want to hear Upanjile, because I've been seeing a lot of TikToks Upanjile freestyle. So I really want to hear him now on an actual song. If there is a song Upanjile, maybe I can. But yo, let's see if I Moshang. And if Nenzeka kata Flash now Upanjile put Zangalel. This is yo. Diagnaleza wangoku Flash ta Panjile putwam. This is my favorite song from the catalog of Flash Ngumngani. This is my favorite song probably kuXhosa rap. Yabo. Probably it's definitely top 2. No Hook, local, not low. It's definitely top 3 ngoma endizithandayo. Please don't mess that up for me. Ndiyacela. And if ni mess up ile, ana ngixolela ndizanixela ba ikaka le nyenze apha. Muju. Yo. Tandiphi. Yo. Ngathi balibele bandingibani soman babonisa ukuxhosa trap nigga ngifana ngwana umaphorisa the wind I put her on when I'm via not a big hustle majita yanleka funa smoke khan bachayisa hlale ngibalekela liquid pressure bayazibazisa ngivaleli lanes ngikweyami lane yakaqitha sando drop the splash kodwa ngoku cinga uyandogqitha lentwana lisana xithi mic unikilibazisa kuba pain ngokilenza ucinga bani week yela lena ilife usozuyithini kumele uyibalances elucinga umbane unespeed uthetha ngamishit funa ufana namo ube big izanda ukunika tips sudelela abantu sanesithobe ntwana ubohloniphi kudemon yabetha vele uncame masiya kickboxing ufana noheni ngokuflash usikarela umadip angoshohle shakhe fethi lona ngithi phetho shit
Nalithina ngumngani bona. Yona ngithula uthi intaba zakho utholo bengasenga. Uyinyona boy. Uyinyona boy.
Yo, brazi, mandiyeke idlala.
Fike Jozi ndane moshi, fike mpethu khoti akungoku npushi hasi, defeat ine massive, bebe cinga ndwile jonga nile nsaqathisi, uzama bazitholi mna ndatyunja ewe nkhethile, uthi ucinga ungile ucinga ugone kodwa ucingile, zamjathengisa sithoka umhlobo kwi-BEE, lethuthule ngokisukile, inyongi ichithekile stoko sam usweetness swekile, ex-yam ngondiyekile, ex-ethika upasi washi nqina lami iqhuba isashi, sifaka isibani thina silali kungedala siyakwi-mansion, khe ndaflopa bandiyabuya, ezenza i-correction, jaba zam bese zivuya, bedanile elalini khangelishwa ke ndabuya, ngoku ndijonge emalini ubramluste bezovuya, kila yakhe ifishi namaqhina nzowanyuka yaqhubeka imishi noba kunzima mna ndiyaqhuba iqinile inhliziyo
Ya ndo kasobitsho boy. Ngani uyifunayo intwana eyifunayo bona yazi life abantu kufuneke uthi kubo jama ubona abantu how many yinone
Drawuthi ninyoka akakwazi uslime qoqa nikhwela iqonga iways yakhala ndiyimbongi mna ndiyabonga khawusaphelo gama cause ku-rap zakho uyangixoka awuyonisiza ungilwaja nakwingoma sandiyanonga ndaziwa ngencasa ndiwela inxiba ndiyophefoma bukhwe ngapha emthatha sisibusiswa mna wandichonga ciba wanibhatala hele sipilini ubozijonga ungagcingisha yafana
Hayi bafethu. I think I might be glazing with Flash a lot, but for some reason, man, like it. Nah, this brew is it, bafethu. This brew is it, bafethu. Yabo. This thing, yeke nyendo, like yeke yonke nyendo. Just focus on the raps. Focus on the music. This brew is it, bafethu. Akekho umuntu ontswemile ngalomjita kuliwe bafethu. Akekho. Yekeni bangubani one likes ezininzi. Yekeni bangubani onantoni eninzi. Ngibekeni bangubani o10 oy fashion killer. Yekeni yonke lewe. Let's talk about the raps. Let's talk about the music. This brew is nice with this thing, chat. Flash Ngumkani is nice with this thing. Yabo. Yekeni ba amkwathini ungathangani, he's nice with this thing. Simple as that. I'm a fan. Yabo. I think and I'm glazing this brew. I know. Umsebenzi wanamjita is super solid, bafethu. Super solid. If ever we knew what we really wanted, we must protect this brew. This brew, he has it. Shout out to Flash Ngumkani one time. Shout out to Panjile. I thought he was gonna rap, but into England bayenzileyo that benza iskit. Cause abantu babesithi jam how high, but how many boy. I see a lot of cats here that I know. But shout out to Flash Ngumkani. Solid but solid. Anzuthetha uba yephi intswembu kunenye. The way melody yaleba it's kinda different, so andifuna ukomperisha because this thing has done its own thing now apha kum ngobe ningena bencifa kwizaba sasingqa siyi-1 esifanayo yabo. Otherwise you just took a sharp curve yane melody nje sick with a very good rhyming, you know what I'm saying. Shout out to Flash Ngumkani one time. Yes sir.